Hey guys, it's back again with another video, and today we're going to be doing stretch stress still, but we are going to be figuring out how to do it on full screen. Okay, so, and we're also going to have a lot more options to have like 1720 by 1080 or 1440 by 1080, 1550 by 1080, all of the ones that the pros use now. So, what we first want to excuse me. What we first going to want to do is open up our Adrenaline edition for AMD software. So you can just go here and look up Adrenaline, or yeah, whatever. Or you can right click on your desktop and it should be like somewhere around here. Or you might have to hit show more options and it'll be right here. Anyways, what we're going to want to do is click on settings over here. Go over to display, and you'll see this stuff. If you have GPU scaling, you want to enable that scaling mode. You're going to want to turn from preserve. It's going to be on preserve aspect ratio. You're going to want to turn that to full panel. And so as you can see, I already have custom resolutions down. So I have these ones. I'm not exactly sure why this one doesn't show up, but usually it doesn't. Anyways, you're going to want to create new and do any of the stretch res that you want. So I have 1350 by 1080. I have 52 because I have a curved monitor, so it's just a little bit different for me. 1550 by 1080, 1440 by 1080, 720 by 1080. I do have this one, but it doesn't show up most of the time. Oh, it's kind of weird. Anyways, so once you create new, you want to post it on this, so you're going to be like 1720, and then you're also going to want to change the timing display to 1720. And this is going to give you your stretch res, but I already have this one, so I'm just going to cancel that. And yeah, here, I'll just delete this one so I can show you guys. So delete this. Your screen will wig out for a little bit. And then hit create new. Go up here, change it to 1720. Oops. And this one to 1720. And then just hit create, and it'll just pop up right here. Oh, also, when you create new, make sure that your refresh rate is on what your monitor is. So I have a 240 hertz monitor, and so that's what I'm going to do. And so when I make the 1550 one, so let me just delete this real quick so I can show you guys what happens. So I deleted it. I'm going to create a new one, and so I'm going to type 1550, then I'm going to hit enter. And see how it just autocorrects this to 2? So since it autocorrects it to 2, that's how you know that your monitor cannot do the 1550. So you have to do on the bottom 1552 as well. So then just create, and boom. Okay, so now that we're done with that, you can just close this out. Here, hold on, let me close my custom crosshair. And this is the thing that a lot of people are very wary about because it seems counterintuitive. So what you're going to want to do is go to your search bar and look up device manager. Mine popped up because I've been in it a little bit. So then hit open, and what you're going to want to do in your device manager, which says, it's going to sound really weird. You're going to click on your monitor, and you're going to find your main monitor. So this is my main monitor, and you're going to right click it, and it's going to have these 3 options. What you're going to want to do is disable the device. It's not going to make your monitor not work. It's not going to like have it to where no display shows up and you're just completely screwed. So what you're going to want to do is just click on disable device. Then it'll pop up this, which as I've had in the feed, what happens with me is nothing happens. It just doesn't even go black for a little bit. So I'm just going to hit yes. And look at that. We're just completely fine. It says enable divider, enable monitor device, and we're completely fine. Still, even I was recording while I did this, so it's still completely fine. Now, one thing that you do have to watch out for is one time I did this, and then I logged back in the next day. And I didn't enable it or anything. I logged back in, and my monitor, I went to settings, or my monitor just felt really laggy, and so I went to my settings, system display, and I checked here, and it didn't show anything here, and I went down here, and these 2 resolutions were gone, and this I didn't have any options other than 60 hertz. And so if that happens to you, just go here, click on Windows, click on this power, and just hit restart, and then it just completely fixes everything. So nothing bad will happen to your monitor. You're not going to be stuck on 60 hertz, so don't worry about that. And if you're really scared about that, then you can just go back into device manager, and every time you go out of Fortnite, and you can just enable it and turn it on, and you still might have the same problem. I've never done that before because it really doesn't matter that much. So I'm just gonna turn on my custom crosshair again, and then I'm gonna boot up Fortnite, and I'll meet you guys there. Okay, guys. So we're in Fortnite. So what sometimes happens when you're loading on Fortnite, it'll make it into like a little like a little kind of box in the top left of my corner, kind of like it starts like from here and over like that. Just don't touch it until your Fortnite loads, and then you can click on it. It'll go black for a second, and then it'll load up Fortnite. So don't worry about that. So what we're gonna do is here, and look at that. We have so many types of displays that we have going on. Just all the regular ones, and then some extra ones. Though I just don't believe that you can just go under 1280 by 720, because I have 9 something by 634, 643, whatever, and I just can't use that stretch res. So yeah, it's really weird. My main stretch res is 1550 by 1080 because I just think it's really smooth. So we're just gonna hit apply, keep changes. I'm gonna turn this on 360 because it gives me better FPS, and back, and boom, we got stretch res. So this is chapter 6, whatever we're in. I'm just gonna boot up a free build map real quick. Let's just do this one, and yeah, I'll just see you guys when we get into the map. Guys, so as you can see, we got the stretch res. Yeah, we got the cone, the floor, the stair, the wall. Yeah, it completely works. It's not bannable, in case you're wondering. Like, no, I've been using this for a while, and it's really good. I just testing it out for you guys. What am I thinking of? So yeah, you have a lot of customizable stretch reses, and when you're using the stretch res and you hit your Windows key, it'll wig out your Fortnite and make it little, because what is happening is the game is trying to save 1550 by 1080, but your monitor setting is at 1920 by 1080, and so it just squeezes it to the side, and then as soon as you're done with that and you click on Fortnite, it'll just go back to regular stretch res. Yeah, so you should be good as in terms of your Fortnite wigging out. If you have any problems, feel free to type them in the comments. I am going to be doing a giveaway at 100 subs, especially if we can get it at the end of this month. I'll be doing even more, a bigger giveaway. Another thing I want to say is this map is really cool. Hold on, let me just change one of my binds real quick. So I'm just gonna come here. So I'm gonna scroll down to edit. Wait, where's? I already passed it. Building. Okay. Building. No, that's not what I'm doing. Combat. There we go. So I'm just gonna turn this one to that because it doesn't really matter right now. I just need one of my binds to be scrolled down, and I'm gonna turn on this. So you just turn on one of your pickaxe, or you turn on one of these pickaxes. You pick up a sword. Actually, I don't want the hammer. I want the sword because it's a better sound. You turn on FOV fix, or else your FOV will be messed up every time you pull it out. Actually, I need the sword, or this one for this, I think. Yeah. Okay, so now this is just like OG movement, so it instantly pulls out the pickaxe. So instead of, because right now my pickaxe would look like this. Oh, my bad. And my builds would come out faster. So I'm just gonna do a little free build with this, because to show you guys what it would look like with stretches. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I like this map a lot. Don't accidentally click shoot when you're doing it. Yeah, I hope you guys found this video pretty cool. I hope it helped, and please drop a sub, because I mean, if you want to be part of the giveaway, you have to be subscribed, and probably, yeah, you just gotta be subscribed. And so yeah, once we hit 100 subs, it's a giveaway. And take care, guys. God bless.